Connor's family says the support they've received during this difficult time has been uplifting. Inside this church, fellow Marines he served with and members of his construction crew came to pay their respects.
And it's like nothing I've ever experienced.
No parent is prepared for this day.
Going through something like this is just unimaginable. You just can't fathom it as a parent losing a child.
Angel and Kirby Ernst's lives changed forever 1 week ago when their son Connor was killed in a bridge collapse. He was working for Lehman Construction after finishing 4 years of service in the Marines.
I think he wanted to because I was a Marine.
His dad said through this dark time, there has been a light, hearing from people who Connor has impacted.
I thought I knew Connor, but there's a lot of things about him that I didn't know. And it's been such a gift to hear all these stories about him and to see his heart.
While support from loved ones has given them strength.
It's been unreal.
Yeah, it's been overwhelming.
They're also finding fortitude in their faith.
We know the Lord is lifting us up through it. We know He's got Connor. He's got him.
Connor's family asked that in lieu of flowers, people make donations to the Connor Ernst Memorial Fund. That money will go to groups that were special to Connor. Reporting in California, Missouri, Emily Hallwick, KMBC 9 News.